Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Dogecoin's Doge token. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then whatever, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, and all kinds of good stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. Now guys, for those of you who are brand new to my channel and this is the first video of mine you've ever watched, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I have no reason to sell whatsoever. And I base all of my long-term decisions based on market cap levels rather than price levels. And hey, I'm not in the red on any of my long-term positions, so I must be doing something right. So guys, we're gonna see what a good long-term realistic price point would be for Dogecoin. So as we can see here, everybody knows that Dogecoin really took off out of the middle of nowhere. I mean, all it takes is for somebody like Elon Musk to fart or something like that. And I mean, literally, the world is going nuts and everybody's buying into Dogecoin. I mean, realistically, it sucks that people are, buying and investing and making their investment decisions based on emotions like that and based on other people like that. But I mean, hey, people are people and they're going to do what they want to do. So we're going to see where it could potentially be in the long term, you guys. So obviously, clearly it's a very popular project. Now it's definitely gained quite a bit of traction to where it could it's pretty much going to trade itself. So guys, let's see where it could potentially go. As we can see here, you guys, the all-time high for Dogecoin right now is actually 73 cents. I mean, it really took off at one point in time. So it's 73 cents. We want to see what the market cap was around that time, though. So we don't know what the circulating supply was at that time. So obviously we're not going to be using, the circulating supply from back then. We'll just use the circulating supply where it's at right now. So we'll take 132.67 billion tokens. So 132 billion tokens, 1,000, million, billion. Okay, there we go. And we'll go ahead and multiply that by 73 cents times 0.73. And guys, holy smokes. This coin had roughly a $96.8 billion market cap at one point in time, you guys. Yeah, that's billion, you guys. Actually, just to make sure here real quick, I want to go back to May of 2021 and check that out real quick. So hang on just a minute. So May of 2021, let's check this out. So all right, so it happened right around here. So May of 2021 came out to number 6. Here it had a market cap of, at 37 cents, when it was 37 cents, it had a market cap of $48 billion, you guys. So as you guys can see here, if we were to double that, which would be around, its all-time high of 75 cents or whatever, that'd be roughly around, yeah, $96 billion, you guys. So that does make sense. But holy cow, I was not aware that it went that high. So realistically, you guys, I think it could easily go higher in the long term. Clearly, if it can reach $100 billion, it can probably reach, $200 billion at some point in the future, whether it takes 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years. It can definitely double in price at some point in time. So we're going to see what the price would potentially be if it were to double its market cap and go to like $180 billion, you guys. So let's take 132.67 billion tokens, and we'll go ahead and multiply that by $1.50, okay? Multiply that by $1.50 and we get $199 billion market cap, you guys. So that's kind of realistically the number I'm looking for. I'm actually surprised. I didn't think that I would nail that on the first try. Usually that rarely happens. So realistically, you guys, my long-term price prediction for Dogecoin is going to be $1.50, okay? And, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when it's going to happen, realistically. So honestly, you guys here, what I like to do next is I like to see what our potential good return on our investment would be if we were to invest in it today with $10,000. Because usually when I when I invest in a long-term position, I usually like to start out with $10,000 because it's just an easy number to work with, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and take $10,000. $10,000, we're going to go ahead and divide it by, we're just going to say 12 cents because it's pretty much right there. So divided by 0.12, and we're going to come out with 83,333 tokens. 83,333. And guys, we're going to go ahead and multiply this by $1.50, okay? So as you guys can see here, roughly $125,000. We are roughly going to profit, roughly $115,000 here, you guys, would be our return on our investment. So in my opinion, guys, Dogecoin is a very solid long-term hold. I mean, if this coin had never taken off, if this coin was, still back on these levels right here, I probably wouldn't have such a bullish outlook on Dogecoin, to be brutally honest with you. But since it's gained so much traction lately and has garnered a giant audience, I truly believe that this coin can be pushed much, much higher long term, you guys. So realistically, my long-term price prediction, guys, for Dogecoin is $1.50 here, okay? And its return on your investment, I mean, clearly, guys, you can see it for yourself right here. It's a very solid return on your investment for barely doing anything. I mean, you're just buying and holding long term, and that's it. So, but guys, that pretty much does it for this video, though. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.